Welcome to Thordata. This video will guide you through the process of configuring Thordata and Hubstudio. Navigate to Residential Proxies. Enter your username and password. Select the country and region you will use. Copy the single-string proxy format. Next, go to Hubstudio. Click New Environment. Here you will see some basic configuration information. Click on Proxy Information on the left. Under the Proxy Type tab, select SOCKS 5. Scroll down the page. Paste the previously copied proxy format into the proxy host field. Scroll down and click Check Proxy at the bottom. Green text indicates a successful connection test. Click the blue Complete tab, and you will be redirected to the environment page. Click the Open tab on the right to finish.